Welcome back to our channel App Tutorial everybody, where we post app related videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change a profile name on TikTok. You can see my name over here at the top called iPhone Tips. That's my profile name, alright? So I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change that. But before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel App Tutorial, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. And you need to remember this: once you change your profile name, you cannot change it again for 7 days. After 7 days, you can change it again, but before that, you cannot. So you need to remember that, alright? Now with that in your mind, let me show you guys how you guys can change your profile name on TikTok. First step, you want to click on profile at the bottom right corner of your screen, and it's going to bring you to your profile section on your TikTok. Now once you're over here, you can click on edit profile over here at the top. Once you click on edit profile, it's going to bring you over here. And the first option where it says name, click on it. And over here, your current name is going to be displayed. You can remove it and you can type whatever thing you want. And after you're good with the name which you want, you can click on save at the top right corner, and it gives you this warning. As I said, you cannot change your name again for 7 days. So if you're sure you want to keep this name for 7 days, click on confirm, and your name will be changed to whichever name you currently chose, and it's going to be there for 7 days. And if you want to change it, you can again change it after 7 days. But if you don't want to, you can leave it, and it's going to be your name forever until you change it again. So that's how you guys can change your profile name on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel App Tutorial. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.